There is no true security that money and resources can give you. The only real security and sense of safety is when you are safe inside your body and when you can adapt to each new situation with awareness and courage. Don't seek someone to provide safety for you. That is fleeting and untrue. Nobody can do the investments into your health for you. If you want to feel safe, go into your fear, look at it and adapt. Then you become secure within. Invest in your legs. Invest in your spine. Invest in your joints. Invest in your lymph. Invest in your lungs. Invest in cleaning your organs. Invest in learning practical skills. There are things we need others for, to stay sane, connected, and to thrive. And there are things nobody in this world can give you or do them instead of you. We are both independent sources and interdependent collective beings. Peace, health, and abundance. Welcome to the channel. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, ask a question, or share your story. Check out my audio courses: Human Design Basics, Intermediate and Advanced, Human Design Projector Masterclass, and Elemental Balancing course. You can listen to the first lesson of each course for free. Once purchased, stream as much as you like and learn at your own pace. Check out the testimonials from happy students. Join the League of Wanderers community. You can join on the weekly community and support calls. You can book one-on-one personal human design reading and coaching calls with me. You can join us on the Insight Timer app for stress release movement classes and Q&A sessions. There is a newsletter you can sign up for, and there are my free ebooks to download. My merch web shop is available if you would like to get my original artwork and designs printed on a variety of high-quality products. You can also contact me for commissions and graphic design work. Last but not least, you can follow me on Instagram. All the mentioned services and offerings can be found on icreatelines.com, and also check out the description of the video for more details. If you have any questions of any kind, if you would like to collaborate, if you want to come on a podcast, or you have suggestions and feedback, don't hesitate to contact me. I wish everyone peace, health, and abundance.